Hello, welcome to the learning session on Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. In this unit, we'll explore the customer portal, a powerful tool designed to help organization strengthen customer relationship and improve the supply chain management. It matters. Why it matters? The customer portal. The supply chain system rely on the integration to operate efficiently. Inventory, customer demand, and sales department must work together instead of exiting in silos. The customer portal plays a key role in this by helping business keep their customers better informed and connected. What is the customer portal? Now let me discuss about it. The customer portal is a Power Platform or Power Pages template that allow companies to create an externally facing website connected directly to their supply chain management environment. With little no coding requirement, business can quickly build a branded functional portal that enables the customer experience. There are some core features on this portal. There are some core features of customer portal which is actually out of box. Out of box, the customer portal provides the ability to view order history, view the account information. It can create the order directly through the portal and pre-configured web roles and entity permissions for user, built-in invitation capabilities, onboard customers seamlessly, and the best part is that these features can be customized to match your organization's branding and extended to add even more functionality. There are some key dependencies like to function. The customer portal relies on two main technologies, that is one, the Power Pages or the Power Platform which hosts the portal. Keep in mind, licensing is based on usage. And second thing, our second main technology is the dual write, which connects the supply chain management entities with the dataverse to ensure smooth real-time synchronization. So let me explain how it works. Together, the Power Platform or the Power Pages and the dual write ensures that your portal is not just a website, it's a direct extension of your supply chain management system, which provides the accurate and timely information to your customer, and it is bi-directional. So to learn more about the steps management, you can review the official guide on installing, setup and onboarding the customer portal. In dual write, the external customers will be connected through the customer portal and Power App portal, and with this Power App portal, dual write, using the dual write, it will be connected to the Dynamics 365 supply chain management. So if you don't know about dual write, let me give you a little bit more information about the dual write. Dual write is a near real-time bidirectional data integration between Dynamics 365 finance and supply chain management and dataverse used by the Power Apps or the Power Pages and Dynamics CE application like sales, like sales, customers, marketing. It enables the data stays synchronized across both environments automatically. Think of it as a bridge connecting your ERP system, that is finance and supply chain management, with the Power Apps or the CRM, customer engagement, and the Power Platform apps. How dual write actually works? It uses the entity maps predefined on customers to link the tables in finance and SCM with the tables in the dataverse. For example, customers in finance and supply chain management, it will be connected to dataverse, which is actually bidirectional. So same like that way, products in finance and supply chain management, it will be connected to the products in the Dataverse, as well as for the orders and finance and supply chain and chain management, it will be connected to the orders in the Dataverse in the bidirectional way. So whatever data is created or updated in one system, dual write system will instantly reflect the changes in the other system. Okay, then why dual write is important for the customer portal? Because the customer portal is hosted in the Power Pages, which works with the Dataverse, but your actual inventory, orders, or the customer data which will reside in the supply chain management. So dual write makes sure these two worlds stay connected. Let me give one example. A customer logs into the portal and place an order. So the order goes into the Dataverse through the Power Pages. The dual write instantly pushes that order into the supply chain management. Later, when the order status changes in the supply chain management, dual write syncs it back to the Dataverse so the customer can see real-time updates in the portal as well. Right. So this is the benefits of dual write. Let me give you more benefits of the dual write. The first one, that is the real-time synchronization. No manual imports or export needed for the dual write. Unified, second is the unified customer experience. That will be the customer see up-to-date information anytime in the any platform. Third, consistency across the apps. Services, you have the sales services and supply chain team work on the same data. So that is why consistency is very much important for the all platform. So that is why one of the benefit of the dual write is the consistency across the apps. Number 4, extensible. You can extend the mapping or create the customer entity links as per the business needed. And one of the most important benefit, that is the low code friendly. That is, it works with the Power Apps and the Power Automate to build additional workflow on top. So few things you have to remember, you have to keep in the mind. Licensing is very much important for the dual write. You have to take the Power Application license in the separate way. In case of performance, it works real time, but heavy customization or the bulk update can affect the speed. Also, governance, always plan entity mapping carefully to avoid the data conflict. Okay. So in the final word, I can say that for the customer portal or any sort of activity where the dual write is actually is the backbone of the integration for the customer portal as well. It ensures your portal always reflect the most accurate ERP data without any manual effort. Okay, so I hope you have understood about customer portal and the technology behind it. So if you have any question regarding this, you can write it in the comment section. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible.